For those of you into power, we've got the Corsair RM850i, bringing 850 watts of power to the table. 80 plus gold certified, 7-year warranty, fully modular? What? Fully modular? What could be better? Me talking better? I got a knife. Let's unbox. That's right, so check it out. We've got the box, la caja. For you people out there who speak Espanol, this is la caja, and it's also like the yellow caja, which, ¿cómo se dices, Mr. Jesus? How do we say yellow? Amarillo caja, right here in this box, with the Corsair RM850i. Now, first you guys can see the front of the box. Oh, and you can see the back of the box. And then right here on the side are a few things which right now we're going to talk about. Now, another thing is this thing is completely geared towards low noise. So it's supposed to be very efficient and very quiet, which a lot of people want. They want quiet and they want efficient. I'm down with that as well. But let's talk about what's actually going to be in this thing as far as specifications go and what you're going to get as the wiring schematics. Starting off, we're going to see a 24-pin ATX cable. There's going to be one of those. We're going to see ATX 12-volt cables. There's going to be two of these. These are 8-pin, 4 plus 2. We're also going to see 6 PCIe cables. These are the 6-pin plus 2 type. We see 10 SATA cables, 8 4-pin peripheral cables, and I don't even know why in hell they have this in there, 2 floppy drive adapters. Huh? Another cool feature, which I haven't actually seen in too many power supplies, and I'm not the big super power supply guy, is this thing has the ability to switch from a single 12-volt to a dual 12-volt rail. And that's something really cool. I think users out there are going to like that a lot. With that said, though, let's hop in the box. Got the old trusty knife here. Find some nice spot to cut in here and make a selection slice here. I'm actually gonna have to ask for donations for the cameraman for this. This is gonna hurt. No, I'm just kidding. Who would film? Come on. Would I have some like button? Nope. We need him. We need him. He's reliable. Gotta have him. We can throw things though, like boxes at him. Those always work. Oh, so check it out. Box. Coming at you. Whoa! And look, another box. Ah! Can you believe it? All right. So we'll take another little cut here for this other little box. And now that we've made the old slice, pop the old cap. And inside, more stuff. Now, right off the bat, we'll start off with what we got right here. We've got all the different manuals for all their different power supplies, all the way from the RM1000i all the way down to the RM650i, the user's guide and all that good stuff. Some people are going to read that. Most people are just going to try to put this bad boy inside of their system. The warranty guide, like I said, 7-year warranty on this 80 plus gold certified bad boy. And we got some foam right here. Oh, alrighty. And one thing that's really cool that I appreciate, my friend over there, Rick Allen, thank you very much, sir. They always put like all the nomenclature and pictures and stuff on a nice little drive inside of here, which is pretty cool because there's not going to be any drivers for a power supply. No, there's not. Just kidding you. Set that off to the side. Start off, power cable, you need this, unless you got 2 little mice running in a thing that generates electricity or, something like that. Otherwise, you're going to need a power cable. Now, believe it or not, when I first started off in the computer industry, I had some customer call me and they told me that their computer came with a power supply and therefore they wanted to know why they had to plug it in the wall. And I was like, what, do you think it was a battery? And the guy actually said, yes, I thought it was a power supply. Strange, but true. So, got some zip ties for those custom installations. Some people are going to use those. Let's go over here. All right, we got a couple more things in here. Now we've got an empty box, which we're going to not throw at the cameraman because, what? Don't give me the finger, buddy. All right, so start off with all those cables that we talked about earlier. But I pop the cap here, and there's like a shit ton of them. So we went over all the different types. I'm not going to recount them all out for you. They showed them on the side of the box. There's a single one of this one, 8 of these other ones, blah, 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 the other ones. But here's what they actually look like. They're actually all braided. So right now, let's get some close-up shots of those just so you guys can check those out. Another variation of the cable is they have some of these cables that are completely flat. These are for lining up behind your case and stuff, so you can do those custom builds without any of the cables showing. So that's cool. Another cable they did not mention in there whatsoever, and I see it right here though, is a USB charging cable. Something you don't usually see inside of a power supply, but this one's here. Now you guys can see all the cables clearly laid out on the table, and they're all pretty cool looking. Are these the type of cables you guys are looking when you buy your power supply? I want to see down in the comments down below, and I'm sure the people over at Corsair want to see these as well. So let me know. Do you guys prefer these type of cables, or is there something different that you're looking for? Inquiring minds want to know. News at 11. Now, moving on, we got the actual power supply itself. The beast from the east. Ooh. Has that nice new power supply smell. Yeah. All right, so let's check it out. Fully modular, like we said earlier. Let's start off in the back here. We see there's the power input and the power switch, as well as the nomenclature. You can see it right there, the RM850i. As we spin it around the side, you can see the Corsair logo, and once again, the nomenclature of the power supply. We'll spin it around the back, and on the back here, you can see it features Corsair Link. This is a digital connection, and this is actually what that cable that I thought was the USB cable earlier. It's there, but there's also a digital connection called the digital link. You can see there's a fan test button for testing out the fan. We also see the peripheral and SATA connections, the 6+2 PCIe and 4+4 CPU, the peripheral and SATA, and finally the 24-pin ATX on the bottom. We'll spin it around the backside. You guys can clearly see there's a fan with the Corsair logo once again predominant on it. There's also an empty black bag, which can double as a... All right, just kidding. Just thought I'd go there just for a second, because you guys are always comparing me to that guy, so I thought I'd give it a moment there. So that's it, folks. Corsair RM850i. 7-year warranty, 80+ gold. Has all of their great features. For you people out there who are fans of the Corsair product, you're going to like this one. Once again, thanks again to the people over at Corsair, Mr. Rick. Appreciate it. For you guys looking for pricing and availability, it will be down there below that like button, which hopefully you guys will go nuclear on. I'm Elric. You've been watching Tech of Tomorrow. If you like what you see, hey, sub to the channel, and I'll see you in your inbox.